Hi everybody, it's Drew again from Atascosa County. I hope y'all were able to go on your walk yesterday. I really apologize that it was so windy and you might not could have heard us. That walk was really refreshing for me. It was probably the combination of being with a friend, being outdoors. It was a nice park, had some beautiful trees. The wind was a lot, but then we weren't sweaty. So, we had a nice little walk and talk, and, it was just really good. It kind of helped snap me out of a funk. So I hope you did something the same or have been doing something the same. Please, again, let us know what you have been doing. But today we are cooking, and today we're going to be cooking with broccoli. What I like about broccoli and really most vegetables is it's so versatile. You can use it, you can steam it, and if you don't like it steamed, you can roast it. If you don't like it roasted, you can grill it. If you don't, I don't know if I've ever grilled broccoli, but zucchini and stuff like that. Throw it in together, I guess. You can also eat it raw. And so, there's just so many things you can do with it. And so that's kind of what I like. You throw it into different salads, like we're gonna make today an Asian broccoli salad. And broccoli is just a really good source of actually vitamin C, which is good for your immune system, which we all know we need that right now. And also folic, which helps build new cells. And so it's just a really good source. It helps, half your plate should be vegetables, so throwing it in with different things, kind of masking it as things. It's really just fun to use, and like I said, versatile. We are, like I said, going to make a Asian broccoli salad, but I also wanted to show you some other things before I just jump into that recipe. Like I said, you can use it different ways, and so you can have it raw and snack on it. A little bit of dressing with it is okay, but be careful. I know when I do that with the dip, sometimes I go more overboard and the dip is a lot more calories than I want. You can also roast it, which I did some right here. And with the roasting, I don't know if you can see, I also roasted cabbage, and I don't know if y'all have ever roasted cabbage, but it's actually pretty tasty. It gives it just a little bit of that crunch, and well, my kids don't like the smell, I'll tell you that, but so they haven't tried it, but me and my husband like it every once in a while to have it roasted. Usually I don't cut it in slices, I cut it just like a big circle, so it looks almost like a steak. Sprinkle it with some olive oil, put a little seasoning on top. You can actually do fresh herbs or something on top, which would be good. Just kind of make it your own and make it how you want to. And so that's just something else you can do, something else to try. But let's just jump into the Asian broccoli salad. The reason I like this one is it's nice and fresh. It's a cool salad, and so it's good on these summer days that are coming up. If you want to take it to a picnic in the park or something like that, or if you've just been working in the yard and you just need something that refreshing, this is one of those good salads. You do steam the broccoli. I've used fresh broccoli. You could probably use the frozen. Be careful when using the frozen. It might cook a little different. It might have that different texture with the other vegetables. All there is carrots, cabbage, and broccoli in this one. And so I have everything kind of measured out, and so you can just throw it into a bowl. The broccoli is steaming right now, and you remember to be careful when you're cooking with different broccolis and all vegetables. You don't want to overcook them, because the more you cook them like that, the more nutrients are released. So you want to kind of have them that still crisp a little bit. And then this is, I know it looks like a lot, but that really is 2 cups of carrots and 2 cups of cabbage, and then we'll have 2 cups of broccoli, which ironically the broccoli doesn't look like 2 cups. For the dressing, it's pretty easy. It's 2 cups of plain yogurt, which the plain yogurt right now, I don't know about y'all's stores, but I live in Lavernia, and our store, they were still out of everything. It took me a while to get this one. It was the only brand left of just plain yogurt, and they were pretty much wiped out. So maybe in a couple weeks we'll be back together. Then it's also 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, just a teaspoon of sugar, and a little bit of soy sauce. Of course, you want to use the low sodium soy sauce just to help with that sugar intake. And then you're just going to mix it around. I think I'm going to use the whisk. It's a little bit easier. So you're just gonna mix it and make sure it's not clumpy with the yogurt. And of course, what I also like about this recipe is it's very straightforward. So if you need to cut it in half just for you, you can cut it in half just for you, or you could double it if you were going, making it for a family thing, or just your family. But this is just this regular serving in it, and it's a pretty good amount. I know it doesn't look like much dressing in there, but actually it turns out quite a bit. So now all we're gonna do is, well, let me get this. Now all we're gonna do is dump the carrots and broccoli, carrots and cabbage, and then I'm going to spoon what I've already been kind of steaming, because like Jessica talked about having your stoves cooked different. We do have an electric stove, and it seems to take longer than the other electric stoves I've been used to. Also, we have a gas one at work, and I think she mentioned it cooked so fast, and that's how I've seen it, is that at work I tend to burn stuff because I'm not used to. I'll walk away thinking it's not gonna, water even is not gonna boil that fast, and it ends up boiling really fast, and I'm like, oh shoot. So your stove, so do it, take your time. I'm gonna mix it first just to get it nice and mixed, and then the sauce that we just made, just throw it in. So I'm just gonna throw in that sauce and kind of mix it up real good. And after you mix it, you can just probably not that. You can put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour before serving. This is also good to make maybe the night before, have everything prepared so you can have it for the next day, or make it that morning for maybe an evening or lunch meal or something. It's good leftover. It's good. You can see it's nice and colorful, and so it's kind of enticing to look at even. And so there is your salad. Now this I'd probably put in a smaller bowl, and I did make some just to kind of try beforehand, and after it's chilled and all, it is still pretty good, and it's pretty tasty. And so don't confuse the red wine vinegar with apple cider vinegar like I did, because I actually did that, and it wasn't that good. Luckily I caught it before I mixed it all. But that is the broccoli. Hopefully y'all can enjoy it. Share and like and comment, and you can also steam in the microwave. This is a little steamer, and this will be the giveaway for Monday. So please put your name in the drawing, and so you can heat up something quickly at work. You can use it for anything. It's actually a very good storage container too. So I hope y'all try the recipe. I hope you like it, and please like and comment. Please tell us what you're cooking. Maybe you have a vegetable dish that you really like, and take a picture, comment, show us all. Send us kind of what you're doing too. We'd love to hear from you, and we're so excited. We are really at the end of this, and I know it's helped me so much, just being in contact with y'all and just helping, and that reminder. So I hope it has y'all too. So have a good day.